Oh no. Dude, hey, I need you to come over because a bird just hit my window.
Yeah, I see it.
Crap!
Do you think it's dead?
More than likely, that's a lot of blood.
I can't have this on my plate, man.
Well, does this count as murder?
I don't know.
Wait, do you have a hunting license?
I have a library card.
What made you think that that would work?
I don't need your argument right now.
What?
I know what we gotta do.
What?
We gotta eat it.
That's the right thing to do.
Well, do you know how to skin a bird?
I know how to skin a duck.
That doesn't count. I don't even know what kind of bird that is.
I'm pretty sure it's a bald eagle.
What's that?
A bald eagle?
I don't know what that is.
It's the symbol of our country. I mean,
Like the flag?
Wow. I mean, I've never been more disappointed. I mean, first you kill a bird, and now this?
We just gotta figure out what we're gonna do with this thing.
We could put it in the trash can.
No, it's way too big for that.
Well, what if we take off its clothes?
That might work. We gotta bury this thing.
You got a shovel?
I have a library card.
I'm gonna leave.
Dude, not cool. This is our problem now.
No, this is your... I don't even know how I got here.
The funny thing about this is, this isn't even my house.
What?
Where are we?